These videos was created by AI in seconds, and it's completely free. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like this step by step. Welcome to Zelena AI, where we explore powerful AI tools to help you create and earn online. This tool is called Hunyan Video by Tencent. It allows you to generate cinematic videos using just a prompt. No editing skills needed. First, go to this website. I'll leave the link in the description. I hope you are seeing well my screen. Let's continue with account creation. Make sure to follow step by step as I'm showing you. You come on here. You see here? We have as silly options as this video generation. Model is from China. We have WeChat, which is the most produced in China. If you have an account on WeChat, you can just sign up your account with WeChat. If you don't have one or this W, but the easiest way that we are going to use, let's use Mail as most of you. You have Gmails or other emails? And a simple way to do this. Click on Mail and then what you have to do right now is to enter your email. Here, after entering your email, you have to click on Get Verification Code. After clicking on Get Verification Code, add the 2 terms. After adding 2 terms and conditions, go and check your email inbox. And then take the code and paste it in here. On the Gmail, you will see a call of 6 numbers. After getting that 6 digits copy them and paste it here. After pasting your code here, as you see, after pasting it here, you have to click on Login after clicking on Login. Oh, yeah. Here, it's Ayla, but you have to do it very quickly so that we cannot delay. As you see, if you delay, it can maybe sometimes fail to be ready, but if you do it first, it will be very good. You have to be logged in like this. After getting your account, right now, you will see the avatar here. Yeah, and log out button, which this shows you that you have an account. With your account, you can then start generation. This is the model you have to select for better. UH resolution and resolution here. You have to pick to select 720 for faster generation. As you see here, you have to write your description or prompt here, not exceeding 10 words. After putting your prompt here, you have to upload your image. Using ChatGPT, UH image generation which can help you for your movie scene or any video you want to make. After that, what you have to do, after putting your prompt here and your image, you have to click on Generate immediately and wait for some time for your video to be created. After waiting few seconds, the video will be generated. After being generated, you have to wait few seconds here. Let's play our video. Our video is now ready as you see. Video is very good, yes, based on our prompt. The other thing that you can do is that if you prepare a good prompt, you will get better result. You get better videos than this one. You can create any kind of video in this tool for free without paying any single cent. And what you should know is that your prompt will be the one to handle this. Make sure to hit subscribe button for next free AI tools and tips which will help you making money by producing AI content.